Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. After receiving some fantastic questions from my last nail henna mixing demonstration video, I'm excited to be back with all the answers in this following up video. So let's dive right in and address these burning questions. But first, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. Question number 1. What is the quantity of the tea and sugar? It is basically 50-50. If you're using a teacup, you can use 1 cup of tea and 1 cup of sugar. Question number 2. Can I use a tin to burn the tea and sugar? For a safety purpose, I do not recommend anyone to use a tin. I have also seen a lot of people in YouTube has been using tins to make this nail henna, but I do not recommend it. Question number 3. I have seen other YouTubers using jaggery. Some use cumin seeds, some use coffee. Can we use them? You can always try new recipes and just check whether it suits you and your budget. I prefer the tea and the sugar because it's very easy to find, and budget wise also it's okay, but still it's perfectly all right that you can try it and see. Jaggery is a good option. The liquid will be a bit darker in color. Question number 4. I tried your method, but I didn't get much liquid and the smoke was coming out. Actually, the smoke is the liquid, so you should not let the smoke come out. Try your best to seal it properly with the flour dough that I had used on my first video. It will help you to get a lot of liquid. Question number 5. How to collect more liquid? Nail henna is quite very hard to get a lot of liquid at once, so you have to keep on burning several times to get and collect all the liquids that come. Try using a big pot, a big quantity, and burn it for a long time, then you'll get a good amount of liquid.